Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review a powerful and stylish pre-built PC, the Thermaltake LCGS Quartz i1460 gaming desktop. If you're looking for smooth gaming performance, eye-catching RGB, and future-ready specs. But before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this beast at the best discounted price available today. Trust me, deals like this don't last long. Personal computer emoji, what's under the hood? Processor, Intel Core i5-14400F, a 10-core hybrid chip that's perfect for gaming and multitasking, with 6 performance and 4 efficient cores. Graphics card, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060, the real star here. This GPU gives you excellent 1080p and decent 1440p performance with DLSS 3 and ray tracing support. Memory, 16GB ToughRam DDR4 3600 MHz RGB, fast, reliable, and it lights up your rig with customizable RGB. Storage, 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD, lightning fast boot and load times, with plenty of space for games, software, and media. OS and connectivity, Windows 11 pre-installed plus built-in Wi-Fi for easy setup right out of the box. Ice emoji, cooling and design. The tempered glass chassis isn't just for looks. Inside, Thermaltake's airflow-focused design and premium cooling fans keep temps low, even under heavy gaming or editing loads. And that RGB setup? It's next level. You can customize the lighting to match your setup or mood using Thermaltake's software. Video game emoji, gaming performance. Whether you're into AAA titles, competitive shooters, or streaming, this PC can handle it. With the RTX 5060 and DDR4 3600 RAM, expect over 100 FPS in Fortnite, Valorant, Apex Legends at high settings. Smooth 60+ FPS in Cyberpunk 2077, Hogwarts Legacy, and other GPU-heavy games with DLSS on. Zero stutter multitasking, even when streaming and running Chrome with 20 tabs. White check mark emoji, pros. Excellent CPU-GPU combo for the price. Great thermal design with a clean aesthetic. High-speed RAM and SSD. Ready to game right out of the box. Strong future upgrade path. Cross mark emoji, cons. No liquid cooling, but air cooling holds up fine. RTX 5060 is still new, limited software optimization in some titles. No HDD for additional storage out of the box, but easily expandable. Shopping cart emoji, final verdict. If you're in the market for a budget-friendly yet performance-packed gaming desktop, the Thermaltake LCGS Quartz i1460 is a brilliant choice. Great for gamers, streamers, and even content creators who need a solid pre-built. Fire emoji, grab it now from the link below and take your gaming to the next level with the latest hardware in 2025.